Judge the no start current fault through current analysis on JC drawing. Connect iShun P3208 power supply to the computer. Open the JCID drawing. Click refresh and connect. Here the drawing is connected with iShun P3208 power. Click on My Data. Import current data from the cloud. The boot voltage of this board is awful. Turn on the power supply. Ground the motherboard. Connect to the positive pole of the power supply. Click Start. Press the power button. The current is uploaded to the drawing through P3208. Click Stop. Compare with the current on the drawing. It is similar to the current of the damaged RTC. Reinstall the RTC. Clean it up. Power on and check the current again. After stopping the detection, compare it with the boot current on the drawing. It is similar to the boot current on the drawing. Install and check if the phone can be booted up. The phone is on successfully. The fault is fixed.